Morning. Let me open the sheet, practical sheet. Okay. So good morning. Welcome to YouTube channel of Ashok Vidyalaya and Junior College. I am Sushant Deshpande. Let's start with the higher degree of difficulty program, that is to print the memory block locations, memory block given in a reverse order. So let's see what is the problem statement. A block of memory location is stored from D00H to D009. Write an assembly language program to store the data in reverse order starting from memory location D100H. Let's understand first what is the exact problem statement. The problem statement is like this. The memory location block given is from D000H to D009H. The data entered by the user is like this: 02, 03, dot, 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 05, 06, 07. These are the 10 memory locations as a data block. Now the output, our program should give output that if we go with the memory location D100 to D109H, the block D00H to D009 should be in the reverse order. It means that 07 should come first in this block, 06 then should come in the second memory location. Likewise, in the reverse way, the first which was here should come last. That is the reverse order. Let's see how it can be done. So here, what is the first statement which we have to do? The first part which we have to do is two tasks. One, take two memory pointers. One is to point this memory location and second is to point this memory location. This pointer should start with the last. This pointer should start with the first. Then take the content of this memory location to the accumulator. Because without microprocessor, can we write memory to memory? No. We have whatever we want to write, it should be from accumulator or from the microprocessor. So for that, we have to take this last memory location content to accumulator first, and from accumulator to this memory location. Then we have to increase this memory location pointer and we have to decrease this memory location pointer. Again, take the content to accumulator and again from accumulator to memory location. Decrease the memory location, decrease the memory location, increase the memory location, and repeat this process till count becomes 0, because we have to read 10 memory locations. Right, guys? Okay, that's good. So let's see now how the program can be written. So I have explained you the logic. This is the flow chart. Now let's see the program. See, move A, 00H. Now you must be very much familiar with this. Move C, 0AH. C is used as a counter of counting of memory locations, memory block. So we have kept it as 0A, that is 10. LXI H, D009H. Load the HL register pair by, so we are using for this HL register pair. So load this HL register pair by D009H. We want another pointer, we will use DE, and we load DE by 0100H. Correct? So load DE by 0100H. It should be 0100H because we want the memory pointer at 0100H. Then move A, N. So content of memory location pointed by HL will be moved to A. Correct? So what will happen? 7 will move to A. And then STAXD, store the content of accumulator to the memory location pointed by DE. Now DE is what? 0D100. So that content of of accumulator 07 will be stored in D100H. Now we have to repeat this process. So decrement H, that is HL resistor pair, increment D, that is increment DE resistor pair, decrement C, decrement count. Is C is 0? No. Then go to move. So again, the next memory locations will come to A accumulator, and then it will be moved to DE. So this will give you the storing of the reverse order memory location or memory block. I hope you must have understood this. Thank you.